Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Ogbe and Yekun got married, the three godmothers. Patakí, sacred story. When Ogbe and Yekun got married, the latter became pregnant. It happened that Ogbe, her brother and husband, fell into conflict with Odùdùwà because of his power. Odùdùwà gave him a poisoned drink, and as a result, he died. However, at the moment of death, the child was born. But due to the lingering effects of the poison, everything the child touched died. Because of this, the newborn was separated from everyone. When the day of the child's consecration arrived, no one was willing to take responsibility for him. Seeing this, Olófin summoned all the marries for a test. Each was to drink from a jikara containing an omiro made with the sacred herbs, Iwe, of Ogbe and Yekun, in order to determine who could withstand the power. Most of the marries who drank it became ill, except for Yudi Meji, Juani Meji, and Irangun. These three sisters, thanks to the Ase, spiritual power they placed in the jikara, came out victorious. From that day forward, they became the godmothers of Ogbe Yekun, and therefore responsible for everything concerning him, including his Ebo, by the command of Olófin.